Very grateful, sir, for a very patient hearing. Thank you, sir.
Gracious monks, ladyship. May it please the court. Note, I've just placed before the court a very brief note. It has 7 points in it. And these are the 7 points that I just seek to go through very quickly and hopefully within 10 minutes. But I would point out that I had earlier filed a written submission note. I would urge that that note may kindly be examined. That provides the detailed reasons with judgments, case law, and I'd filed a paper book of judgments as well. So kindly in my earlier note, I would in particular draw attention to paragraphs 6, 7, 9, and 11 of that note. It's not a very long note, but if nothing else, paragraphs 6, 7, 9, and 11 of that note may kindly be examined. Also, as far as the factual issues are concerned, the PTI Nazariati issue and so on, I've tried to explain those in CMA 5913 of 2024, the circumstances in which that happened. And if I may, I'll very briefly allude to what is stated in this CMA 5913 of 2024, which is on behalf of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf and Barrister Gohar Khan. It's just to place some facts before the court.
Can you repeat the number, please?
5913 of 2024. This is on behalf of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf and Barrister Gohar Khan. So note, if I could just very quickly go through my 7 points, hopefully within 10 minutes. And I take the position with a great deal of respect and recognition of what Justice Athar Manilla has said, that there is a larger context. But putting that larger context to a side and starting with the presumption that PTI-backed candidates were declared independents in terms of the proviso to Rule 94, that proviso remains on the statute book and therefore we were treated as independents once elected.
Is there any order regarding all the candidates that all of you are independent?
But in my case, the second...
By the Election Commission?
One of the 2nd February orders...
So it's only in respect of your
But they made a general declaration that anybody who has come in a situation similar to mine, I had filed nomination papers declaring myself to be a PTI candidate, and the Election Commission said that since the party has been denied...
I think there is no order in respect of all the candidates, that all of them are independent.
No, Manoj, but that order lays down the law, the understanding of the law, and what happened in reality. I'll just come to that when I come to the factual aspects given in CMA 5913. So the order passed in my case, and even prior to that, on the day 13th of January, we were told that there are 2 sets of symbols available, those for independents and those for political parties. We could only choose from the set put aside for independents. So it was very clear with the ROs on the 13th of January, and the 2nd February ECP order only confirms that situation, that we were to be treated as independents because of the explanation to Rule 94. Read with the judgment which said that PTI is not entitled to a symbol. So that created us as independents, regardless of what our affiliation in the nomination papers was.
Just clarification of a factual aspect.
Lord.
The record that has been placed before us by the ECP was contradicted by Mr. Gohar Ali Khan when he appeared one day.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you confirm?
Yes, my lord. Kindly see, since my lord has raised that,
the ECP has not
Not place the entire record.
the
No,
correct record before
no
us.
responsibility is upon you to submit the record. Where is that record?
Let me show, my lord, let me show.
Which you say that the election
No,
commission
Lord,
has.
kindly see, I am submitting that we be treated as independents who have joined SIC.
पहले तो इस
But,
बात का-
जी
पहले
मैं
तो-
उसका जवाब दे दूं, how they have suppressed the record. Kindly
वो
see,
बता देना।
जी kindly see, in CMA 5840, part 2, from pages 168 onwards, they have chosen to file my nomination papers. They've somehow, from all the candidates available, they thought they would attack me because I'm appearing as counsel. So they filed my nomination papers from page 168 onwards. And I take your lordships, the court,
I'm a bit confused. Who are you representing right now?
Kawal Shawzab as well as PTI.
When you talk about the petitioner, the candidate, please be specific. When you say I'm arguing on behalf of
Yes.
PTI.
Hold on. But Kawal Shawzab is the chairman, president of the women's wing
Her
of the
case is
PTI.
different. Her
जी,
case is different.
आपकी एप्लीकेशन है ना ये जो आपने दी
जी मैंने PTI की application भी दे दी है. There is no conflict between
Which page you want to refer?
Now kindly see, they've placed my nomination papers, me
Page,
as in
page.
Salman Akram Raja, at page 168 onwards. Now this shows my affiliation, declaration, page 166 onwards.
Salman Raja, just a question. Now I'm in the context of this application that you've given. Just want to know that PTI had fielded how many candidates to which you had issued certificates for the National Assembly?
Hold on. I'll get the exact number, but my
कोई figure तो बताएं.
But it's over 170. We were contesting every single.
Everybody was given certificates.
Yes, and that is what I want to now demonstrate. Kindly see. Pages 166 onwards till 185. 263, Gaur Khan Sahib tells me, 263 tickets were
Across
issued.
Pakistan.
All across Pakistan. Now kindly see at page.
What's the, I mean, where do we see this
For
thing?
National Assembly.
Where do we see this thing? Did you put it up somewhere?
Yes, we put out our lists of
Where is
candidates.
that?
On our website. On our websites.
We have is there anything on the record here?
And our website can only be gone through if somebody.
Mr. Salman Akram Raja,
जी मैं एक
We have the right.
जी
आपकी अपना भी डिक्लेरेशन नजरियाती का है.
मैं आपको ही दिखाना चाह रहा हूँ. Kindly see, bear with me for a moment.
स्टैट्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट
जी जी मैं अभी दिखा रहा
पेपर्स के
हूँ.
मुताबिक
मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, इसीलिए मैं आया हूँ.
नजरियाती लिखा हुआ है.
जी kindly see, we start at page 166. 166 से जरा शुरू कीजिए. I filed my nomination paper, and then at page 168 I declare my affiliation to the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. And then kindly see, I also with this filed my PTI ticket, which I have now placed for your lordship's perusal, with CMA 5917, which they have suppressed.
I'm confused. We were at page 184. What is?
Oh, 166, we were at page 166, and then 168.
Then you went took us
Then
to one.
we go to 184.
Then you went to 180. What is at 183? There's a statutory
Ji,
declaration.
kindly. So, at 183 there is a declaration, at 184 there is the...
Why are we seeing these papers? You're
to
not
show-
telling us that.
Yes, to show that they have suppressed the record. Supposedly, they claim they filed my entire nomination papers and the supporting documents, but they have not done so. I will just demonstrate that in a moment.
दिखा देना वो
जी,
क्या चीज़ है?
At page 185 भी देख लीजिए, which is the withdrawal of the Nazriyati ticket and the certificate. At page 185, within minutes, I withdrew. It was given and then I immediately withdrew it. And they accept the withdrawal. But what they suppress from the court is what is available in CMA 5917.
Second, need to pull that out. 5917.
5917.
ये आपने विड्रॉ किया उसके बाद आपको क्या तस्वुर किया जाए ये तो नहीं लिखा आपने इसमें.
मैं एक मिनट bear with me, kindly see.
They're independent और PTI
जी, पेज 23 पे आइए, पेज 23 पे आइए जरा 5917 के. Sorry, not 23 is Kamal Shawzab, my own
Page
ticket.
5917.
मैं एक लम्हा जी, my apologies.
What should we see on 5917?
Page 144. Page 144.
Email gave me.
144 पे आ जाइए. This is the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf ticket issued to me. Kindly see at page 144.
Mr. Salman Akram Raja, we are dealing with the case of Ms. Shozab Kamal, not yours.
No, but they have chosen to file my documents. I'm just demonstrating suppression. I'm just demonstrating that they have suppressed documents. Now, at page 144 is my ticket, which
5914 में कौन सा पेज है? 5914 में
5917 में CMA 5917, page 144.
मिलती नहीं है. 5917 निकालो. इधर तुम सब मिक्स कर दोगे मैम.
Point I'm making is that the documents that they filed are not the complete documents which were filed before the ROs.
5917.
Now,
but one thing.
डेट ऑफ सबमिशन इस पे 13 जनवरी की है.
PG 13 January है.
नहीं 13 जनवरी नहीं है 12 जनवरी है.
नहीं सर, काइंडली सी नीचे जो दस्तखत
नो
हैं.
ऊपर नहीं आप ऊपर देखिए.
नहीं, आप
नहीं,
return-
आप वो किसी के दस्तखत नहीं है. ऊपर जो तारीख
मुझे इशू हुआ 12 जनवरी को.
12 जनवरी को आप स्टैच्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन फाइल कर रहे हैं 13 जनवरी को और नजरियाती दिखा रहे हैं.
मैं अर्ज कर रहा हूँ ना सर, मुझे अर्ज करने दें. ये 12 जनवरी को मुझे इशू हुआ, 13 जनवरी को मैंने ये फाइल कर दिया. नीचे आप देखिए रिसीविंग है, दिस इज द रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर. अगर आप इनकी
रिसीविंग को छोड़िए ना, मगर डॉक्यूमेंट तो एग्जिस्टिंग
मुझे
कर रहा
अर्ज
था
करने
जब आप स्टैच्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन फाइल कर रहे
कि
हैं.
मुझे अर्ज करने दें. I'm just showing the suppression on their part. Legal implications are a separate matter. Why have they not filed this ticket? This ticket is in fact even discussed in the 2nd February 2024 order passed by the.
Whenever you filed it now, make the point.
The point is simply this, that they have suppressed the record.
भाई चलें आगे बढ़िए ना प्लीज.
मुझे अर्ज करने दें, kindly not. This is a very important point because this entire chart that they filed becomes very suspicious when your lordships realize that this chart is based on suppression of documents.
कौन सा पेज है ये?
Page 144.
Whatever they filed
Sir, मुझे अर्ज करने दें एक लम्हे के लिए. It's very important. They've filed a chart and they've said इतने लोगों ने सिर्फ टिकट
I
जमा
think
कराया.
it's very important